Namaste students, how are you? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. I am also good here. I am very happy to receive all your homeworks through WhatsApp as well as through ERP. And today we are going to see an interesting poem, The Ant and the Cricket. So here it's a fable where animals are acting as characters and they will teach moral lessons to us. So here, who are the characters? The ant and the cricket. So these two characters are occupying the entire poem. So the ant, it was working hard, whereas the cricket was wasting its life as it wished. And during the summer and spring season, the ant gathered all the food, whatever it wanted, whereas the cricket, it wasted its time like singing, dancing, all the things, it was engrossed in it. So here we will go and see the poem. So children, this is the topic of your poem, The Ant and the Cricket. So it was written by Aesop and it is one of the fables where animals are the characters and it teaches the moral lesson to us. So let's go children. So here, see the picture, the ant is saving food whereas the cricket is engrossing in dancing, singing, all the things. So here, let's go and see the stanza children. A silly young cricket, accustomed to sing through the warm, sunny months of gay summer and spring, began to complain when he found that at home his cupboard was empty and winter was come. So here, a silly young cricket, that is a foolish young cricket. Silly means foolish. Silly means foolish. Accustomed to sing. So it is the habit of singing throughout the spring and summer season. So the cricket, it was wasting its life as it wished. It was the habit of having, singing, all these things it was doing. So throughout the summer and spring season, it was doing all these things like this. Began to complain when he found that at home his cupboard was empty and winter was come. So during the summer and spring season, it enjoyed a lot. When the winter season came, his cupboard at his home was empty. What had happened? The cupboard of his house was empty. Even not even crumb to be found. A piece of bread he didn't even find inside the cupboard. Here crumb means a piece of bread. On the snow-covered ground, not a flower could he see, not a leaf on a tree. And outside, the ground was covered with snow. As it is winter season, the ground was covered with snow and he didn't even find a single flower there. And there is no leaf at all on a tree. Oh, what will become, says the cricket, of me? So if the situation occurs like this, how will I become? So the cricket felt for his action now. So in this first stanza, we are talking about the foolish cricket, how it has got the habit of singing, dancing, engrossed in chatting, all the things. During the summer season and spring season, it wasted its life. When the winter season came, he searched his cupboard for a piece of bread, but he didn't find. When he came out of his house and saw the ground was covered with snow and he didn't find a single flower, a single leaf on a tree. If this situation occurs, what will happen? Like that the cricket was feeling. Okay children? At last by starvation and famine made bold, all dripping with wet and trembling with cold, away he set off to a miserly ant to see if to keep him alive he would grant him shelter from rain and a mouthful of grain. So here at last, so it was thinking over the mistake. So at last what it decided, it was getting starvation. Starvation means scarcity of food. Starvation means scarcity of food. And famine. So it became hungry. And both the things, it made the cricket very bold to ask help from to get help from ant. So it cannot bear the cold which is outside. So he wanted to ask help from the miserly ant to see if to keep him alive he would grant him. So at least the ant will give him a mouthful of grain or a shelter for him to safeguard himself from the rain. So it was expecting shelter and grain from the ant. He wished only to borrow, he would repay it tomorrow. So if I'm getting today, I'll repay the things, whatever I received from ant, I'll repay it tomorrow, like that he decided now. If not, he must die of starvation and sorrow. So even if this one didn't work, what will happen? The cricket will die due to starvation and much sorrow in his heart. Okay children, so in this stanza, with much starvation and famine, it became bold and it cannot bear the snow and the winter season. It wished to ask help from ant, so it was setting off from his home. He wanted shelter as well as food. It wanted to get as a borrow one and he will repay it tomorrow, like that he thought. If it didn't work, the ant will die. Like that. Sorry, the cricket will die. Like that. It is happening in his mind. Okay children, so I am going to give you a worksheet you all have to do. You have to match the meaning of the words what I am going to give. So let us see in the next video children. Thank you. Have a nice day. Keep up the good spirit children. Stay home, stay safe, enjoy learning. Thank you.